What's up, guys? Welcome back. In today's video we're gonna be talking about toggle button, but instead of button I'll be using a sensor, an IR sensor module. So the title is going to be "If you want toggle sensor." So the sensor is used to change the state of a device every time it detects an object. Okay, so in this case the device is going to be an LED. Okay, we're gonna change its state, okay, every time the sensor detects an object. So I'll be using this microcontroller Arduino Nano, okay, to is our brain, okay, and the library, the Arduino library that I'll be using is easy button, because this library allows us to do toggle button. Okay, guys, so I'm going to move forward. I'm going to put Arduino Nano, okay, here on this side of the breadboard. Now I'm going to pick, first of all, I'm going to put over here the sensor. Okay, so with three pins. The out is the signal pin, ground in the middle, VCC the last pin, okay, on my right side. So the VCC ground, VCC goes to VCC, okay, VCC goes to VCC to 5 volts, 5 volts, okay, and the ground is the middle pin, goes to ground, okay, ground, like, okay, so ground is here. Yeah, the output pin is our data pin, okay, so is to be connected to pin 2 of the Arduino Nano. Okay, now the LED is our device, okay, with here a 200 ohm resistor, but I'm not going to use that. Okay, if you want, you can pick one so that you can protect your device, okay, in this case the LED. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to connect the now the cathode pin is attached to ground, and the anode to pin 13. Okay, now time to show you the program, okay, the sketch. Okay, we need to implement the easy button library. The sensor is the button pin variable, pin 2. The button function is the object created with the help of button pin variable, pin 2 in this case. False is the state of the LED in the beginning. The load for this project is the LED, as I said before, okay, LED pin. So the LED pin should be an output. The bounce time is 50 milliseconds and is applied to the input to filter out the physical bounce in the sensor. So that the bounce time function filters the user input before triggering the action, okay, in this case before turn on and off the LED. So express function tell us whether the sensor detects the object or not, okay. So if the statement, okay, is true, if the condition is true, so we're going to execute this instruction. So if the LED state was high, it's going to be low, so the LED goes off. If the LED state was high, low, it's going to be high, and the LED turns on. So now we can pick the right our board. Okay, for me is Arduino Nano. The port is con 8, the detected port. Okay, now you can upload the program. Alright, so when the sensor detects the object, the LED state changes. Okay, so that's the toggle sensor, because we can change the state of the LED when the sensor detects my hand. Okay, so guys, that's our project, and I see you in the next video. Thank you so much.